So these two power banks have quite a few features. I love right away you're going to see we've got two different colors, and you can get some different colors too. Now these are identical. They're both 10,000 milliamp hours. The only thing that's different are the colors, and we're going to go through all the features. You'll notice right away that they are pretty thin too. I mean, they're right around a ½ inch thick, and the size of this is probably about the size of my palm or so. It's right around 5.5 inches in length, and then the width is narrow also at 2.6 inches, and it doesn't weigh much either. It's 7.7 ounces, so it's less than ½ pound. So that way, if you have it, whether it's in your purse, backpack, or anything like that, I mean, it's just really lightweight. On the side here, now we do have a little button there. The only time I would want to use that is if I'm just going to go ahead and kind of wake it up and I want to see these LEDs. It's going to let me know how much power is left in the power bank. So we've got 4 LEDs, and each one represents 25% of power. Now we do have several ports here, but if you look on the back side, it is going to list what the function of each one is. Now this power bank can charge up to 3 items, and there are 2 different ports you can use to go ahead and charge this up. So let's go ahead and get into it. So on each side, we actually have 2 USB-A ports, and that's for charging up any of your devices such as tablets and phones and things like that. And then we've got 2 more ports right in the middle. Now the bottom one is your Type-C. That is an input and also an output. That allows you to charge this power bank itself and charge other Type-C devices. And on the top, that is an input only. That is a micro USB port. So we've got 3 different devices that we can charge from this, and 2 ways we can actually charge your 10,000 milliamp hour power bank. I do appreciate the brand sending this to me so I can show you all these features. That way you can go ahead and make the decision for you whether this is right for you. I do love that it has all these features that I mentioned. Super compact, doesn't weigh much at all, and you can charge up to 3 devices through here. Hope you found this helpful.